Day 6. Welcome to 1 Minute IELTS and Work English Masterclass by SHAN. We will learn a quick way to improve in IELTS by learning the most useful IELTS academic vocabulary. Please do subscribe. We upload our videos every day, put a lot of effort. Let's start with words to learn for Day 6. Inference. A conclusion reached on the basis of evidence and reasoning. Prerequisite. Something required or necessary as a condition or preparation for something else. Quantity. To express or measure something in numerical or quantitative terms. Resilient. Able to recover quickly from difficult or challenging situations. Scrutinize. To examine or inspect closely and thoroughly. Please do subscribe, share and like.